Hi guys, today topic is valuation of unsold stock. What do you mean by unsold? Unsold means remaining stocks or not sold stock. That is unsold stock. Valuation of unsold stock means many times the goods sent on consignment may not be sold out completely by the consignee. All the goods are did not sold by the consignee. The unsold stock is brought into account by the consignor. The stock of goods should be properly valued either and accounted to get correct profit or loss on consignment. The consignment stock is valued either at cost price or market price, whichever is less. When the stock is valued at the cost price, all the non-recurring expenses incurred by both the consignees as well as the consignor should be taken into the account. In this valuation of consignment stock or valuation of unsold stock, this is a specimen. Costs of unsold stock, that means remaining stocks are not sold stock. Add proportionate non-recurring expenses, that is consignor and consignee non-recurring expenses. Recurring means repeated expenses. Non-recurring means not repeated expenses. That result is valuation of closing stock or valuation of unsold stock. Alternative way of closing stock, that is total cost of goods sold plus total non-recurring expenses divided by total units of goods sent minus normal loss in units into closing stock in units. Next we will see a small problem in valuation of closing stock. This is a problem. Frame of Pollachi sent 100 bicycles of rupees 1200 each to Matthew on Mysore on the consignment basis. First, you must understand who is the consignor, who is the consignee. Frame is the consignor. Matthew is a consignee. பிரேம்ங்கிறவர் மேத்யூங்கிறவர்கிட்ட கன்சைன்மெண்ட் பேசிஸ்ல குட்ஸை வந்து சென்ட் பண்றாரு. நீ எனக்கு 1000 பைசைக்கிள்ஸ் எனக்கு வித்துதா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மேத்யூட்ட கேட்காரு. ஓகே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மேத்யூ விற்கிறாங்க. 100 பைசைக்கிள்ஸ் விற்கிறாங்க. ஒரு பைசைக்கிளோட விலை 1200 ரூபா. Consignor means frame. Frame non-recurring expenses is a freight and insurance. Freight amount is 5,000. Insurance amount is 1,500. Matthew expenses, that is consignee expenses at the Mysore to take the goods to his place was rupees 3,000. That is Matthew. கன்சைனி வந்து அவங்க இடத்துக்கு குட்ஸை கொண்டு போறதுக்கு ஆகிற செலவு வந்து 3,000 சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ இது நான் ரெக்கரிங் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ், நாட் ரிப்பீட்டட். Then Matthew sold. Matthew means consignee only sold 80 bicycle at the rate of 1,500 per cycle. ஒரு சைக்கிளை வந்து அவர் வந்து 1,500க்கு விற்காரு. ஆல்ரெடி பிரேம் டேந்து 100 பைசைக்கிளை வாங்கியிருக்காரு. ஒரு பைசைக்கிளோட விலை 1,200. இப்போ மேத்யூ 80 பைசைக்கிளை மட்டும் சேல் பண்றாரு. ரிமைனிங் 20 பைசைக்கிளை அன்சோல்ட் ஸ்டாக்கா வச்சிருக்காரு. இந்த 1,500 ரிமைனிங் உள்ள 1,200ல இருந்து 1,500 மைனஸ் பண்ணி ரிமைனிங் உள்ள 3,000 this is a commission for Matthew. Calculate the value of unsold stock. This is a solution of this problem. Frame of Pollachi sent 100 bicycles of rupees 1,200 each to Matthew of Mysore on the consignment basis. Frame, there's a consignor send only 100 bicycles of rupees 1,200. The Matthew, that is a consignee, only sold 80 bicycles at rupees 1,500 each. So 100 minus 80, remaining 20. 20 is a, this 20 is a valuation of unsold stock, that is remaining stock. Then how to calculate the cost price and market price? This in this sum only given the 1,200 cost price, did not given the market price in this sum, only given the cost price, that is cost price 1,200. 20 into 1,200, the calculated value is 24,000. Then add proportionate non-recurring expenses, that is consignor and the consignee expenses. The frame is a consignor. Consignor expenses a freight and insurance. Freight how much? 5,000. Insurance how much? 1,500. This 5,000 is a freight. This 1,500 is a insurance. Then any other consignee non-recurring expenses? Yes, it is a given. Matthew expenses at the Mysore to take a goods to his place was rupees 3,000. This is a consignee expenses. So total expenses, total non-recurring expenses is a 9,500. This is 100 total quantity consumed non-recurring expenses. Only you calculate 20 unsold consumed quantity, unsold stock bicycle. So 9,500 divided by this 100. This 100 is a total quantity consigned into 20. This 20 is this 100 is a total quantity consumed. எவ்வளோ பிரேம் கிட்டேருந்து வாங்கியிருக்கானோ இதுதான் வந்து என்னன்னா total quantity consumed into 20. This 20 is a this 20 is a unsold stock. That is calculated value. 20 value of unsold stock is a 1,900. So 24,000 is the unsold bicycle. Plus add non-recurring expenses is a 1,900. Totally calculated is a 25,900. It is a value of closing stock or value of unsold stock. This amount to be get to the correct profit and loss on the consignment account is to be taken into consignment account. Thank you.